New bones, new you. Every 10 years, you are walking around in a brand new skeleton. The bones holding you together right now are almost completely different from the ones you had a decade ago. Your body is constantly breaking down old bone tissue and building it back up with fresh material in a process called remodeling. It's like having a construction crew inside you, working 24/7, swapping out old support beams for new ones. This means that the skeleton you had as a child doesn't exist anymore, it's been replaced, piece by piece, without you ever noticing. Even the densest parts of your bones aren't permanent, they're always in flux, adapting to your lifestyle and needs. So next time someone says you've changed, you can literally say you're not the same person you used to be, right down to your bones.